A policeman has died after he was attacked allegedly by a man reported to be mentally ill in Linstead, St. Catherine this morning. He is Constable Paul Gordon, who was stationed in Linstead. He was attached to the Scenes of Crime unit. Reports are that about 6:45 this morning, Constable Gordon was walking along the roadway when he was attacked by the man. He was hit in the head with a stone. Police say the attacker was fatally shot while he was being subdued. Meanwhile, Chairman of the Police Federation Corporal Rohan James is appealing to the Health Ministry to pay attention to persons who are mentally ill.
The Police Federation learned that Constable Gordon was on his way to utilize the ATM machine when he was struck on the head by a man said to be of unsound mind. But it has raised a question as to why it is that we have allowed the issue of COVID to leave us divided so much that we are distracted, leaving so many unsound-minded persons on the street. It is time that we unite around a common purpose, and we are making an appeal for the Ministry of Health to pay keen attention to those persons who are vulnerable and less fortunate in the unsound mind area, so that their health can be taken care of and the public will not be endangered.
Constable Gordon is the second policeman to be killed this week. 57-year-old Sergeant Avril McCollin was gunned down in Gregory Park, St. Catherine last Sunday. Corporal James says the Federation will give support to the constable's family.
And I can tell you, it has dealt the Jamaica Constabulary Force a hard blow in that this was a scene of crime personnel. He served the JCF well, and we now will want to wish the family members sincere condolences, and we will pledge our support to give them all the support necessary in this difficult period, because we are aware that he has a family which was closely knitted, and we have to stand with the family at this time.
Chairman of the Police Federation, Corporal Rohan James.